Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing content and choosing which slides will use transitions. Select a batch of slides so changes apply consistently. This avoids rework. Once done, open Format and Transition. You'll see your current transition and a preview button. Make sure to choose the slide range first, because transitions apply differently when slides are grouped versus single. You're setting the foundation, consistent order, selected slides, and immediate preview, so you can iterate faster without guessing how timing will feel. Now refine the how and why of motion. Choose a transition that matches content tempo and audience attention. You set duration to control perceived speed, shorter for quick flows, longer to emphasize key slides. Make sure to adjust easing by selecting subtler options if available. This reduces jarring jumps. Once you have transitions, layer object animations inside slides and stagger their start delays so elements enter in a natural sequence. You're crafting rhythm, pacing, visual hierarchy, and coordinated motion that keeps viewers following the story. Finish by playing the entire presentation to check transitions in context. Watch for abrupt shifts or overlapped animations. You should export a short MP4 or test on a different device to confirm consistent timing and performance. If things go wrong, make sure to simplify. Reduce simultaneous animations, lower image file sizes, or switch complex transitions to simpler fades. Once fixed, repreview. You'll leave with a tight, reliable sequence and one troubleshooting tip. If playback lags, cut duration slightly and replace large assets to restore smooth motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.